Up, up, my friend, and quit your books, or surely you'll grow double. Up, up, my friend, and clear your looks. Why all this toil and trouble? The sun above, the mountains ahead, a freshening luster mellow, through all the long green fields has spread his first sweet evening yellow. Books, 'tis a dull and endless strife. Come, hear the woodland linnet. How sweet his music, on my life. There's more of wisdom in it. And hark, how blithe the throstle sings. He too is no mean creature. Come forth into the light of things. Let nature be your teacher.